Blocs works on the concept of stacking pre-built sections to create fully coded, responsive websites. We refer to these stackable sections as blocks. Adding a block to a page is incredibly easy. In an empty project, simply click the Insert button in the center of the design canvas to reveal the block bar. The block bar lets you quickly add blocks to a page in order to rapidly build layouts. There are a wide range of blocks, some with recognizable layouts containing items such as text, images, and buttons, and others that are simply empty. The empty blocks, or structure blocks, are typically used as a blank starting point to insert bricks into in order to create custom layouts. It's important to remember that a block and everything within it can be selected, edited, or even deleted once it's been added to the page. To add a block, all I need to do is click one. The Insert button I initially clicked to access the block bar is now replaced by the block that I just selected. To add another block to the layout, you'll notice that I now have two options. The blue sections above and below the block I just added are the global areas. Clicking the Insert button from either of these areas would insert a block into one of the global areas of the project. The basic concept of global areas is that any blocks placed within them will show on every page across the entire site. If I want to add another block that will only show on the current page, I need to continue adding to the dynamic area of the page. To do that, I'll simply click on one of the Insert buttons on the vertical edge of the block I just added. Using the top button to add a block, we'll place a new block above the current one, and using the bottom button, we'll place it below. When a block is selected, the inspector on the right side of the design canvas will be populated with all of the relevant controls that allow me to customize the block's appearance. From here, I can adjust size, add a background image or video, and even apply characteristics such as animation. To delete a block, I'll simply select the one I want to remove. Finally, one other really useful productivity feature is the ability to store the blocks I create for future use. To do this, I'll simply right-click the block I want to store, and from the contextual menu, I'll select Add Block to the Library. Now, when I open the block bar, my stored block is available.